I'm here in Shake Shack. Hungry. So let's eat. Let's toast coffee here. Asawa is working. Hi, Glory Food. Kamusta ko? Mega love shoutout. Glory M. Glory M. Glory M. Glory M. Glory ito to. Gloria. Glory M. Sleep soon. Oh, what time is it now, Kuya Bob? I want to say hi before I sleep. Okay, Kuya Bob. Glory and I'll check your channel. Glory and ikaw ba si Glory? I'll check your channels. Uy, Glory! Kamusta na? It's been long time. Parang ang sarap ng kinakain natin. Ganyan, breakfast. No, it's almost tea time. 3 in the afternoon. Kamusta na, Glory? You're back. Kamusta na? Ikaw pala to. 1 year ago? Hindi ka na nag-upload, Glory? It's been long time. Kamusta na? Ayan, yung pinansin yung ito. Shirt siya. Uy, kamusta? It's been long time na ka ulit. Pinapalo kita sa mo, sa Facebook mo. Kamusta na? Ko, selected ko sa dito sa Macau. We'll see kung makakapunta ako bukas. Pero to, hanggang 28 event. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Participation event. Hindi kamusta na, Glory? Diyan ka pa rin sa London. Wala nga akong upload, tinatamad, laging pagod sa night shift. Oo nga, 1 year ago na to, pero lagi ka sa sa Facebook. Kamusta na? Nagkita kami ni anong name nga ng event? Meet and Greet Creator, Macau 2025. Nagkita kami ni IC. Pumunta dito. Bukas yung pinaka-final na yung event. Meet and Greet Creator. So dahil selected tayo, kaya hindi ko sasayahin yung pagkakataon may makamit ng mga international creator. Napakalaki kasi. Alam mo naman, napakalaki ng natin na naharap. Let's eat. ano, international creator. Uy, nakita kayo ni Sis Rice. Napasana all na lang tayo. Binaid ko siya, tinur ko siya dito sa Macau. Ano rin siya? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Guys, kung meron dyan sa inyo na itong shirt, kaya, i-recommend ako sa inyo. Napakasarap. Oo. Nag-enjoy kami pareho. Bitin nga eh. Pero sinamahan ko siya sa HONGKONG. Ikaw, kailan kami visit dito? Ika-guide kita. Halfway. Share ko yung halfway. Maybe one day off. Vote ako. Mura ang ticket. Murmurin din ako. No problem. It's my pleasure, really. Ako, at ang kaya, yes! Hi team, how are you doing? I'm good team, how about you team? How are you? Kamusta team? Let's eat team. I'm here in Shark. Shark. Shake Shark. Thanks, Maria. Thank you. Kamusta maganda? I'm good. Meron, right? No rice. There's no rice, just only coffee and burger. Mushroom burger. No rice. I have useless concealer. Halfway. Good afternoon, halfway. Guys, don't forget to like and share, please. No rice. It's almost 3 times tea. So no rice. Wow. Pineapple pizza. Yeah. You put a lot of mushroom halfway. I like mushroom. Mushroom. How are you today, halfway? How's your wife, halfway? That's the news, diba? No mushroom until later, March. I only pick the fresh from farm. Wow. Oh, it's not a amount of mushroom, halfway. Hey, Peter. How are you today, Peter? Coffee time, Peter. Peter. Magic mushroom. Woo-hoo. Yeah. It's nice. Actually, I ordered it. I'm not sure. From the walking list. No name. Stick house. This is a stick house. I order stick house. Ayan pa po stick. Good, Maria. 36.7 Celsius today. So good. Here it's almost, wait, I will show you. I'm not sure what's the temperature today. I think 17, something like that. Finger wards. She should be going to hospital way up north to have teeth removed. Might be wait before home at this stage. Not. Oh, halfway. Sorry for that. For your wife. Okay, halfway. Just be strong. Okay. God is will. I pray for that. Halfway. No rice, no thank you. Into Philippines, diba? No, not always rice after we came. You know, sometimes you need to eat usually like this tea time. So it's no time to eat rice. It's only for dinner, you know. Tea time, it's almost like this. Coffee with a stick house. Mushroom, nice. Good taste. Perfect. I will recommend you guys, if we have a shack, if we have like this, steakhouse, you order. Perfect. I post a picture of them on my community and you from her. Okay, I will check halfway later when I get home. And then, yeah, because my phone I cannot open because I'm using my phone for this live. Look at that kid. As you can see, yeah. Tea time, usually, we eat like this. That's only night. Don't check. You return to the plate. Guys, enjoy coffee. This is cappuccino. I will try it. I will check later when I get home. Okay. Okay? No, I will. Don't worry about that. I can take it. Peter, how are you today, Peter? Peter here is already starting winter. Actually, guys, I like so much mushroom. 7 million people in the house. Don't forget to like it. I ordered this steak house. Peter, what are you preparing for your dinner? It's almost 5:42, right? What is that, Peter? Yes, let's go by see halfway. Let's eat. The event actually started already today. But I don't know if I have a work because today I don't have a work. So we'll see if I have a work tomorrow, and then I will taking the video for tomorrow for the final event. Final event tomorrow and Sunday. So I think on Sunday I will be come early because my session, my time session about 2:30 to 3:30. So if ever I need to register from another member, so I can join. Domo, too big a word to understand that. Vetramizing and concealing and whatever else, she is not working. They are worse than when she went to the hospital for 10 days. God. Then Maria will be going on a diet after seeing the police. Take the picture, Peter. Did you take a picture, Peter? I forgot to take picture my food. Because I'm so hungry now, really. No ketchup. you still there, Kim? This coming Saturday, I think I will be late to start my live because following day, Sunday, I have taking the main event, the meet and greet collaboration creator in Macau. Because I don't want to mess that event, actually, you know. Actually, it's my privilege to select that event. So, we'll see, and then I will do a live loading video. No, Peter. I will leave it you 7 ways to above at that time. I will start around 3:30 because I need to sleep around 9 in the evening until 3. Then I'll start my life around 3. And then I will be finished around 8 in the morning because I need that event earlier around 10:30 because the event will be starting around my session 2:30 around 3:30, so I need to go to earlier because the registration will start around 11:30. So I cannot come to on the spot on the time because or else I cannot send. According to my email, I'm receiving some email. 10:30 at least 10 minutes you come early. So of course I need to prepare it, you know. So we'll see. No, I will start my live, Peter, around 3:30 in the morning until 8 in the morning. So, I will leave you. I'm there. Actually, I'm there. So, we will talk about. That's why I need to start my live at least late. So, I will do live during the time you 7 boys on the panel. So I discussed already to 7 boys. I will start my live around something like 3:30 and then yeah. But I need to finish around 8 in the morning. I need to prepare I need to leave in my house 10 something like that. Because the registration is starting 11. I need to learn that. You and 7 ways or 3 above or whatever who's want to join or Kim, are you still there? Kim, are you joined earlier? Can you join this coming Saturday? The big board. What big board? Halfway. No, you and Peter, you and Kevin Louise or Kim want to join, or anyone want to join. What grinders, Kim? You can learn, Kim. Grinder is where Kim gets the date for the night, Maria. Oh, you have a date, Kim? Who you will be date, Kim? Leaving the details, Kim. That's your fun. Of thumbs up on Grindr. No, sir, Peter. I'm not the fan of Kim. He the one to fun with me. Can you get the cleaner on that side, Peter? What kind of thumbs up, Kim? Pretty rate, but boy on you have pay. You have to pay. I'm done. Almost done. I need to put my lipstick. Yeah, no, we don't have actually. We don't have in your place cream. This Shake Shack. No, we don't have. You're cooking. No, we don't have. You can see. No, there's no. I use my phone for make a meal. Okay, guys. some video from there. I take some video when I went to that event in Creator, meet and greet. In your place, halfway. Granary. That's what's bad in my region, Maria. We have damage. Oh, that's good. That's good, halfway. At least you safe. Definitely reduce that rain. Yes. Rain. We have here. Yeah. Yeah, but from here, from London. So I'm here already. It's a shortcut. That's fine. It's right. You're freaking out, Kim. Just really weird. Yeah, that's nice, actually, Peter. You see? Did you see that? I'll go to Venetian and Parisian. You see that Londoners going to Venetian Macau and Parisian Macau, this side. Show you the shape back there, fighting someone, as you can hear. It's so loud. As you can see, it's so nice. Ay, may gulay. What guys, don't forget to like and share. Don't miss this video. Please like. Ticket for two. See? Water is beautiful. This side, there's so many taking the picture from that sun. I don't know how to do the last time. I'll try. Someone Filipino, and then editing. Will editing. See how beautiful. That is Londoners. I heard someone said that this is Londoners owner by Jack Chan, because the last time we have NBA player all coming here in Macau. We'll see if that is true. Yeah, said. I'll take the picture from there. I don't know how to do it.
The next station is the London Underground. Doors will open on the right-hand side. Mind the gap. Mind the gaps.
Now, not typing now. Just only watch. What a so beautiful place here. As you can see, look at that. Seeing twice. It's another paradise. This is Parisian, connecting from the Londoners. As you can see, this side is Londoners. That side. So, we're connecting from here. It's Parisian. Plaza Casino, the Parisian. What a beautiful! All signature. Flat escalator. Everyone feet broken. So now here in Parisian. Yeah, actually just only in Londoners there's so like that. But I don't know if we have here in Parisian. We'll see. Tiffany and Company, Louis Vuitton. Hey, 7 Ways. Boom. Good day, 7 Ways. As you can see, all this Louis Vuitton. Guys, don't forget to like and share. Please click the like. Step into the another world style. Good day, good day. Later I go to the, what call this? Londoners. I have a car. I have a date from there. Ay, what happened? Okay, there's no light. Now it's better. Londoner, be my guest. I forgot. I'll go to the Venetian. I try from the what you call this shuttle bus to transfer from the Venetian, because the last time the NBA come here and then the event celebrate from the Venetian. And then the other side is Londoner and this. Are you still awake 7 ways? I thought you sleep already. 7 ways I told you already on this coming Saturday, okay? Because Saturday I need go to some event here, the creator meet and great collaboration. I'm the one selected, so you and Peter will join, will stay in my life, okay? 7 ways, Peter, halfway, Ken, please. Please, 7 ways. I don't know where's the main lobby. I need to go to the main lobby. I'm so full actually that I eat in Shake Shack. Wow, it's capacity for the 2 person. I'm full, satisfied with food. Main lobby, hotel main lobby. We'll see what we have here. See? The tall man. See? As you can see, it's a tall. Take this picture. It's a tall. As you can see, it's so tall. Oh no, rice from there. Will be all the thing. No. Shopper Parisian. Please. The casino is not allowed the camera. So I just from outside. So, you know, anywhere is not allowed to film. Taking picture. Casino. Not totally. Only outside. See. Make a wish. Make a wish. There's a lot. But I don't have a phone. So it's not allowed bills. So just only coins. You see, there's so many. Make a wish. I wish one day you are here. There's a lot of fun. I wish they will clean the pool. Maria gone to play Mr. Vegas Casino. Games again. No, I'm not. I never ever do that suddenly. Oh, going to casino with the penny from the fountain. No, it's not. I don't know how or where the shuttle bus going to Venetian. I'm not sure where. I don't know if it's here, the shuttle bus. Oh, it's raining. No, I think it's not here. The shuttle bus. I'm not sure where. Excuse me, where's the shuttle bus? Venetian. I know.
No JADAANI HOSPITAL.
Ah, okay.
So we have to walk.
Walk from there? Okay, from what floor?
Just take the elevator over there, go up, and then go straight.
Ah, okay. We have a sign, right? Okay, thank you. No shuttle bus. So I need to go walk from there, going there. Here. Going back. There's no shuttle bus. Just walk straight ahead. I need to walk. Did I heard right? Before Maria has done? No, I never do that. Venetian. Date at the Venetian. No, Peter. Okay, it's halfway. Good night. Good call. Why? Good night. I'll see you all again soon. Good night, bedtime for me. Okay, halfway. Good night. See you on this coming Saturday. Venetian. I need to go to Parisian Venetian. We have a sign. So I just follow. Follow. Venetian. No, I'm not, Peter. Did I right before Maria a date at the Venetian? No. Just joking. Place meeting Fitz Tower. Wait, bye. I'm not sure it is. We'll see. Parisian gift shop. I'm not familiar from this place, guys. So I just follow the sign. Oh my gula, this level 3. We'll see. Maria got secret meeting na. She's meeting the... What? Wait. Oh my gulay. She meeting the bakla hairdresser who's not really bakla. No. Makotoya ramen. I'm so full. I'm very full. Yes, mese. It's Japan restaurant. My gulay. Milano. There's not a lot of people going inside all the store. No, I don't have, Peter. 7 ways. 50%. See, all of them we have a percent. 50%. This one 50%, 70%. But there's not much people coming in. You know. Even there's so many sale. This is the Image Digital. You see? Buy 3 get 1 50% off. Even there's so many promoted like that, discount, but there's not much coming in. Where are we going? I think much better I need to ask where are we going, or because I'm not familiar at this place, so we'll see. I need to ask first. See? You see that? Nice. Excuse me. Can I ask, where is the going to Venetian?
Venetian.
Yeah.
Downstairs to the L3, and there have a board to leading you to the bridge, and crossing the bridge to the Four Seasons, and here is the Venetian.
We will walking for going there, or okay, thank you. Yeah, going down. I need to going down. Taking picture. Guys, by the way, I'm wearing boots. We know, Maria, you are in heaven. I think yes. I need to go some in Venetian. So, if you are not familiar at this place, you need to ask. Doesn't matter, there's nothing wrong if you ask to somebody. You must know, you are not really going the wrong way, so much better to ask. Even I've been long year ago here, but I'm not. I think this way. Kasalan ng magulang, kasalan natin ng anak. Mas sa tubig parang asawa may private natin. Yes, side. Now better. Yes, Serge. I'm going to Venetian. This is a Parisian mall. And now we're going to Venetian. How are you today, Serge? Any 1 terabyte SSD there? I'll check from that mall I went before. Yeah, I think we have. Yeah, we have. So, what do you mean, Serge? See? Guys, how's my signal now? Better than before? Than earlier? So, I'm going to Venetian. Yeah. Venetian. It's in Macau? Yes, Serge. Still in Macau. Yeah, I'm here. So now I'm here already in Venetian. How's my signal, guys? Better? I smell good. Water's good smell. Shopper, Venetian. I'm here now, Venetian. Yes, shopper at Venetian. Versus Toots. It's Macau. Still in Macau. I'm now finishing. Tory Porch. Guys, can you please write in the chat if my signal is better? Can you please step into the another world of style? Yeah, actually this Venetian under renovation, so before this side open, but now it's closed. There's something construction, I don't know. So as you can see, before we have the canal here going somewhere out there, so now it's closed. Yeah, it's okay, Maria. Okay, good. So this, you see that? So now it's good, right? Yeah, under construction, that canal. See? Some of part closed. See? Actually, this is the running water. But now under renovation. What do you mean, Serge? Did you find already the hard drive? Any 1 TB CSD there? Yeah, I think we have. We have, Serge. Yeah. American Vintage. Club Monaco. Guys, just tell me if my signal is not good, okay? The Great Wall, Grand Canal. This is the Grand Canal, but there's no water. Under renovation, that's canal. Yeah, you can see it's no water. Yeah, this is main entrance if you want to go in that canal, Grand Canal. Your signal, it's okay. Yeah. I find in Hong Kong. They delivered to Macau, but if I have there, why not? Yeah, we have. It's actually surged. Wow, it's so really. That's why. This is the one I make the video. This looks Friends Handmaid's Cosmetic. So as you can see in my video, there's a lot kind of soap. That's the one I smell. Custom. No need bag, no need to. Okay. I'll take the big picture. Wait, guys. I will take the picture. I'll send it to you later. 7 ways. Can I take a video? Picture. Thank you. Just wait. Sorry. Sorry. Both of you together. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. I'll take the picture. As you can see, in the Philippines, we have already like this Venetian. So, this side we have a water, but the other side under renovation. So, yeah, this is the main exit only, no entry. Exit. Okay. So, this is it. The other side under renovation. So, there's the water. Just only side we have a water. See that? Yeah. We're at Sis Maria. Hi everyone. Hi Sis Lilibet. Macau. This is Venetian. Yeah, Grand Canal. Here in Macau. As you can see, I'll take the picture there too. Still my signal is good. Guys, can you please tell me if my signal is still good? Where I'm here in Macau, Sis Lilibet. Grand Canal. So this is the Grand Canal here in Macau. So that one, if you want, I don't know how much the fare, but I'm not sure, so I need to ask first. This one, souvenir photo. This is the, if you want to ride that, this one. But I'm alone. Next time, together with my kids, with, if it's alone, it's not will be enjoying, actually. But if you have somebody or with family, yeah, we will enjoy souvenir photo. Excuse me, I'm just asking about how much if ever to ride that boat?
150 per person.
Per person, including the picture or not including the picture? Not the separate. How about if ever you will take the picture, how much?
Photo.
Yeah.
We are set. Include
we
a
have
photo album, keychain, and the slow for 388.
300. Okay. So the ride is 150 per person. Per person.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, per person 150. If you want to taking a picture, chain, and then picture in photo, and 380. That is all total you can pay if you want. But if you want to ride that 150 each per head. Yeah, you can tour around, I think, how many minutes, I'm not sure. For how many minutes that ride? Wait, I will ask first. For how many minutes that ride?
About 12 minutes around.
At 12, just only going around this
Yeah.
tour.
12 minutes.
But that side is under renovation. Separate.
Separate.
This is a different.
Yeah.
We have a, okay.
Big canal inside.
Just only this side. And,
But just open two canal.
yeah, but this side is,
This different close.
yeah, under
So
renovation.
just here and the other side.
We have also the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. This is the 380.
This year. For one set.
For one set.
So one sofa, 2 keyring, 1 elbow.
Okay, there are 3 items. The 380.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Oh, that's 380. Yeah, where are you at, Sis Maria? I'm here in Venetian, Grand Canal here in Macau. Yes, sis, look like Venice Canal Mall at BCG. Actually, sis Lilibet, this is the first, the Grand Canal here in Macau. That in Philippines, I think that's making a what you call this? How do you explaining? Yeah, it made from here, that in the Philippines. This is the first here in Macau. Venetian in the Philippines, Venice. That is just only, I think, how many years, right? So, but is this? Hi, Lily, coming from Surge. Hello, Miss Lily. Okay, I will show you my face very quick. Yeah, because we have a event here in Macau, the Meet in Great Collaboration Creator. So, yeah, I went today because the registration, because I'm the one to select. Yeah, email me, I think Wednesday. I know, not Tuesday. Tuesday, and then I'm the one of selected to join that event. So I went today to register for this coming Sunday, because tomorrow I don't know if I have a work, if I don't know. Actually, that event yesterday, today, tomorrow, until 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So that event. So I'm the one also selected. So I think I'll come on Sunday. How's my signal? Still good? Sis Lilibet? 7 ways? Serge? Peter? Are you still there, Peter? How's my signal? Peter, 7 ways, is Lilibet, Serge, how's my signal? Still going? Can you please tell me if still going the signal? Oh my gulay, ang sisi. Grand Canal Street, Carnival Square, Lion Square, Great Wall. Oh, Great Wall this side. It's okay now. Hello. Okay, still okay. Okay. Hello, Serge. In 7 ways. I'm Francis Lilibet. Yeah. That rides 150 per head if you want to take a picture, or 3 items souvenir, 380. Not so bad. Usually it's that good if you have a family or companionship or your friend, it's better. But if you are alone, no, it's not good idea, I think so. So that's why, right? So this is the second part, I think, because she said we have a 2-part. So yeah. Side C. Oh my gulay. My hands, it's so weird. Holding my battery, my power bank, my phone. I'm still full, guys. When I'm in shirt shark. In Philippines, we have also that sisa lilibet, right? The shake shark. I ordered stick. What is that? Stick house. Yeah, stick house. I ordered that one. It's so big actually. So really, it's 2-person. Capacity is 2-person. So, and then I order cappuccino. Nice place to go around with your wife or husband. Yeah. Yeah, because my kids, sis live it, all of them, we have a work. So it's because today it's Friday, so I don't have a work, and I need to go to that event creator meet and greet collaboration for that registration. I think I'm not where I'm going. I need to go Casino Great Wall, straight ahead. St. Mark's Square. That side, it's casino. So I'm not going to casino. Yeah, that it's good for the family and friends and boyfriend or husband, and then get some souvenir, the 3 items. Actually, the 380. So, yeah. How's the meet and greet event? No, today just only registration. The event we will meet all the creators tomorrow, and then Saturday and Sunday. But I will see if I have work, or if I don't have a work, and I could join also, because I'm the one to selected. So this is the second, the first, the second, and the third we have under renovation. So this is the second. Private boat. Please check up here. Yeah, 11:30 to 7:30 p.m. Yeah, that's time. Sis Maria, I'm still have the Toblerone chocolate. Wow. She did not eat, sis Lilibet. Body shop. Bath and body work. Body shop. You still? You did not eat? It's been long time. August, September, October, November. October. Almost 3 months. Really? Okay, challenge. Find a boyfriend. No, I'm not. Don't make it serious, guys. Just joke. Just a joke. Don't make it serious, okay? Actually, this is the second. The last one, the other one side, and then this is the second. So, street. Yes, I did not eat. Why? Why you did not eat? Really? Wow. Chocolate bear. Yes. Universe. Okay, Kotai Expo, St. Mark's Trail, Mall of Management, Grand Canal. So I told you guys already. So yeah, that's my outfit. You see my outfit? Did you see 7 Ways? Sis Lilibet, search. I'm wearing skirt with boots and with top hanging blouse, something like that. Yeah, because it's so cold now. It's already winter here. I'm going to sport. I don't know where. Where's the sport? No sugar, creativity, bestseller, heritage, Ben's tea, Chocovia. I'm not sure where. We'll see. Pandora, Primo. Oh, magulay. It's the same. Thank you, Sis Lilibet. Thank you. I'm just wearing skirt with a boots. We have a live. That is a live. That one in the window, as you can see. As you can see. As you can see, that one singing, live singing. That is a live singing. It's almost the live singing. I think we have one more, I don't know, I'm not sure. That the one we have alive. Not the one to sing. I think we have, I'm not sure. If we still we have to sing. We'll see. No, it's almost done. Finished. Finished. Almost done. Outside is so cold. As you can see, all people wearing a jacket. Great Wall Hotel Shuttle Suite. Market Street. And beside, Hotai Expo, Four Seasons, the Londoners, the Parisian, no. I'm not going there. I'm going to shuttle bus. Casino, Great Wall. I think this one. The bus. The bus. Straight ahead. I think that is the last time I ate in the food court. Venetian. It's nice food. That's why there's so many people. That is a food court. That side. Serge, are you still there? Peter, Seven Ways, are you still there? You see the inside the casino? Did you see that? The casino inside? Yeah, because it's not allowed to take in picture using camera inside the casino. As you can see the other side, there's a lot. So I'm going to main lobby for the bus, shuttle bus. I need to release because I eat a lot. I still. Seven Ways, are you still there? Seven Ways, Peter. Halfway sleep already. It's almost late. You need to take a rest. It's a free taste also here. There's a free taste, as you can see, anywhere. Free taste, free taste, free taste. It is same from the San Malo. It's a free taste. You can see there's a lot. Sleep. Are you asleep? Peter, where are you? You see? Still so many tourists. This is the shuttle bus. Hotel West Lobby. If you want a free ride, yeah, we have here shuttle. As you can see. So I need to go now home. It's almost 5. I've been since 10 in the morning. I went to the event. So now it's time to go home. So as you can see, guys, if you want to come here in Macau, if you don't know where you're going or what you will use in bus, it's better to ride a shuttle bus. You can see where are you going, or hotel or casino or place, you just ride a shuttle bus to be safe and convenient. Yeah, because usually if you don't know here in Macau, you don't know how to ride the bus, it's better. This is the one I suggest to you. So we have also boarding gate, or where you going, Macau International Airport, San Macau Ferry. Oh, I'm going from Macau this side. If this side is going to airport, and this one is going to the Macau side, in my place, in Macau place. So you going from this side. Same. Macau Ferry, Macau Port. Yeah, we have a sign. We just check from the sign because we have English and Chinese word. So, Macau International Airport. It is Sun, Macau. So, I'm going to Macau Ferry Terminal. I'm going to Macau Terminal. From that side. San Macau, no, I'm going that side because we have a Venetian, Londoner at the bus. Oh, that side. This is Venetian Hotel West Lobby. How's my signal? Still going, guys? Can you please tell me? I don't know if my signal is still good or bad. You know, better to know. 5 million people, 6 million people in the house. Please, guys, don't forget to like and share. Boarding gate. Boarding gate. And then where are I going? Boarding gate. From Macau side. Where? Macau. Going to Macau. Because this boarding gate.
Let's go to the Macau. Go to the main
Lesboa. No. How about we have only Sun
Yeah, only sense.
and Maritimo?
Only sense.
Only Sun?
Then Macau.
Only ferry. Okay. Only this, there's no Lesboa. There's no, I don't know. But some of we have, but this said only Sun Hotel. Also that place, Sun, it's far in my place. Yeah, it's okay. Because in that hotel, Sun, we have also shuttle bus. There's so many people coming here from Shanghai, China. So usually that people, we have a group. We have a service. Tourist guide, tourist bus. There is. Yeah, only Sun. If I'm already in Sun, so I transfer to another shuttle bus. Macau Ferry Terminal. That is Macau Ferry Terminal. Sun, where's the Sun? Sun, Macau. The Venetian. And this one, Macau Port. No, this is Macau Port. It's in going to border. So this one, Sun. And this side. So I'm going here. This side. This Sun, yes, Sun Macau, and this the other side, ferry. So we have a two line. Where are you going? So this side is Sun. The weathers you can see. Actually this morning it's raining. But now it's almost, what time is it? 5:20. It's almost 5:20 in the afternoon. Sabi, Peter, are you still sleeping? Are you still awake or are you sleeping? Are you still awake? 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 Are you sleeping? 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 Are you sleep Still going my signal. Yeah, we have a sign. This is side. There's so many from this line. Sun. Actually, I want to going some. But I'm so tired already because almost 10. I no 11 in the morning. So I'm so tired. So it's time to going home. I think this bus. Yeah. This is a free shuttle bus. Better and convenient. Yeah. Oh my god, my leg is so... I want the other side, in the window side. I want in the window side, this one. Yeah, for me. It's better. Oops, I'm so tired. Oh my god, my legs. Oh my. I'm here now. Ready. You can see. Oh my god. Yes. Still good may signal, guys.
歡迎乘坐金光穿梭巴士，本車嘅目的地為澳門金沙。歡迎乘坐金光穿梭巴士，本車的目的地為
The
澳門金沙。
Londoner.
Welcome on board
Galaxy.
Calma shuttle bus. Our destination is Macau.
Macau. Near in Macau Ferry. And also if you are already there, it's easy. And then if you want to transfer to still going my signal. 7 ways. Search. Peter, where are you? Here I am, Peter. Guys, can you please tell me if my signal still going, still good? Okay, Studio City, the other side, this side. And yeah, Venetian. Galaxy. See? This is the other side. Taipa. The other side of Macau. Macau is a main city in Macau. And this is Galaxy. Yeah, my connection before in, I think in Parisian, because I connecting from that connection in Wi-Fi. So that's why it's not good my signal. But how's now my signal now? 7 ways search says Lelybit and Peter. I uploading one inside what's that? Londoner, yeah, in Londoner. It's Actually, that is the first time I experienced. That is good. The final event tomorrow and Sunday until 28. I think I'll be join that event on Sunday. We'll see if I can come tomorrow also. That meet and greet collaboration Creator 2025 here in Macau. Let's see. Also beautiful and so amazing. Guys, anyone should want to come in tourists here in Macau. Yeah, it's better to, if you don't know the place, going anywhere, going to some place, it's better to use this shuttle bus to be safe. Instead to, actually we have a bus also, but if you don't know where you're going or what to use in bus, ride bus, so much better to shuttle bus. Easy, no stop, because the bus usually there's so many bus stop. But if like this, destination to destination, like this, I'm going to Sun Hotel, so yeah, straight. Just only have some traffic, but normally like that. But bus stop, there's no stop over or not like bus. Usually there's so many bus stop. But if this shuttle bus, no. Still going, my signal, 7 ways. 7 ways. Serge, are you still there? Peter, Cecily Beth. Stop or no? Moving or not? I cannot show you the other side because somebody also the other side, so that will be shame. So I think it's this only side. As you can see. What happened, miss? You can hear me, guys? Mic test, you can hear me. Yesterday, all days, raining. Now it's good. Even cloudy is not raining. That's better. going my signal? Can you please type in the chat if it's still going my signal? This is the bridge connecting from Taipa to Macau. It's a long bridge. Still connecting. Thank you to everyone giving a thumbs up. Thank you, Seven Ways. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Sis Lilibet. Halfway. Sir. 7 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Please give a thumbs up and share everyone to watch this if you want. I'm back. Phone call. Oh, you disappear. I thought you still in there. Sir Peter. You didn't say. I'm here already in Shuttle Bus. It's a free ride. Oh, thank you, Peter, for your bag. That is Macau Tower. I'll try to experience that jump on that Macau Tower. We'll see. I'm not sure how much the jump tower. So one day I will also take the PLUCK from there. So you have a phone call, Peter. With who, Peter? With your best friend? Who's in the chat? May I know, guys? Who is still in the chat? Actually, everyone's so quiet. I'm just the one. I'm the one calling. Talk. But it's okay. Yes, Maria. You can see what a beautiful view. That other side that I went from the, remember, from Venetian, Parisian, Londoners, what else? I went in 3 Casita Hotel. Thank you. Everyone's still there. Yes, Maria. Yeah, now I'm already here in Macau side. earlier in Taipa side. I thought, Peter, you sleeping. That's why you did not write on the chat. Yeah, I'm asking Peter, where are you, Peter? So, are you still there? Search. Hi, Peter. Oh, Barbaria. Come from search. Oops. See, it's so very quick. If I use my bus, I think it will be 20 or 25 minutes. It depends, because it depends what bus you use to ride. There's some bus, there's a lot of fast stop, but if you are using this kind of shuttle bus, it's so very fast. Hi, Serge, coming from Peter. So, I'm not sure for how many minutes, but I think it's so very quick, so fast, right? Nearly, I think it's already here in our side. Yeah. That part I went before together with my grandchild and my daughter. The last time I think I take a video also. Yeah, that part. I have so many I need to upload. I have so many video. Actually, Peter and Serge, last night. Oh my gulay, my laptop, it will be shut down. It's been long time. I open it. I said, oh my gulay, that's why I need to transfer all my files, all my photo, video. It's been long time. That's why I sleep almost late. It's about around 4 a.m. 4 a.m. I think. Yeah, it's almost 4 a.m. And then, oh my God, I said I don't know how to do. How will I fix that? So I just restart, and then because it's almost shut down. It's almost here already in Sun Hotel. So, guys, by the way, as you can see, we have like that because on this coming November, again, the racing car competition here in Macau. So, as you can see, we have like that also. Actually, that event is every year.
感谢乘坐金光穿梭巴士，下车时
Every
请携带好
November,
随身物
every
品，
third
祝
week of
您旅途
November.
愉快。Thank you for boarding at Calma shuttle bus. Kindly take all of your personal belongings when dropped off.
I'm
Wish you
here
have a pleasant
already
journey.
in Sun Hotel. So, here's Going to the bus stop. I'm not sure if there is. We have a shuttle bus going to Lisboa Hotel.
Lisboa Hotel don't have any shuttle bus.
No, where there's is only.
But they have one option. You know the Imperial Hotel?
Yeah, Emperor. Yeah.
First you go outside, right, and just go straight and again right.
Right side.
But next you have the one bus
Okay.
going to Imperial.
Emperor. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we have a Emperor Hotel. That is near in my place, Emperor Hotel. I'm not hungry actually, but I think I need to buy some drinks. We'll see how much. $30. If you want to some Sprite, $30. If you will buy outside, it's better to outside. $30. That's Sprite in cut. The other side. Going to Emperor. Outfit check. Outfit check. That side. Emperor. Wow, so cool. Going to Emperor. Eating this was, I'm not sure. I think this. Ay. Going to Emperor Hotel, Emperor shuttle bus, Emperor Hotel. Emperor Hotel?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, this side. Going to Emperor Hotel. Sir, you have to say hello before Miss Maria. Yeah, bit surge because some of remember that guys, the man, he cannot speak English, so he's just saying in Cantonese, but some of them cannot understand or cannot speak English. So if I can say that also, you know, it's hard to communicate or cannot understand some of that. The man, the one, that's why he said she doesn't know because she cannot understand. Hey guys, because sometimes yes, I can say that, but some of them cannot. Yeah, but thank you for your informing to say that surge, but yeah. Yeah, this is hard to, sometimes communicate because some of them cannot speak English. That's the why I asking to the one person. She doesn't know and she cannot speak also. So I'm so tired actually, guys. Almost how many hours walking. Later I will uploading that from event because I'm selected to join that meet and greet collaboration creator here in Macau 2025. Okay, we're going now. It's already nothing much. So I will tour you again. Going to Emperor Hotel.
師傅啊，嗰個城嘅係咪有個站㗎？
係啊。
哦，好啊，喺嗰度落啊。
Rush hour, so that's why traffic. Rush hour.
散咗啦，散咗。行到邊啊？最緊要大粒路走到。
How's my signal? 7 ways. Peter. Still going? Peter? It's only me. It's a private. It's a private. This is a free shuttle bus, guys. Actually, I just want to tell you, everyone. I used like this shuttle bus. Less traffic, less bus stop, direct when your destination. So I will suggest you, everyone, if you want if you hesitate the traffic or the bus stop, or you don't know where are you going, or you don't know the right bus, using bus to go anywhere, so it's better to use like this shuttle bus. Really, 100% less bus stop. This is destination to destination, so I suggest you. So that's why I using like this shuttle bus. It's not because the fare, or no. It's for the tourists. Also very convenient, you know. Less in wrong way, or you never know here in Macau. So this is the best shuttle bus. How many percent? Wait, I can use this. 100%. So I can use now this yeah, because my yes.
You can get down here and go
Okay.
this way.
Okay, thank you. This is the Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn Hotel. Wow, in Taipa is so cold. Now here in Macau, it's not totally cold. Not like in Taipa. Already here in all good video sound is cracked because of all the traffic noise. Okay, so I'm here already, Macau side. So now I can walk. Sorry, so cold. Cold. I can ride by bus, but my place is so near already, so better to walk. I will show you the Lisboa Hotel. That Lisboa Hotel, as you can see, that one, Lisboa Hotel. I can use my bus from here, so it's okay. I'm so very near now, so I can walk, exercise, you know, because I'm still full. I almost eat that, you know, steakhouse. It's so big. I'm still full. I think I need to buy some Sprite or 7-Up, because my food is still so I cannot work. I need to work. Already Lisboa. What? Have apartment there. Yeah, this all this, as you can see, all of them. Some flat. That is flat, surge. As you can see, there's some flat house. Yes. If you want to like this, second class, same like that. Second class flat. But all this kind of building is a business building, all of them. But it's this kind of see, as you can see, second class. There's some light. It's a flat. Yes. Yeah. We have so many commercial. If like that hotel, it's a first class hotel. If you want to rent, yes, we have also. But if you want to second class flat, same like that. Yeah, that Lisboa Hotel, as you can see. Yeah, Lisboa Hotel. Yeah, there's some building like this also, first class. No, not high class. Like normal normal flat or normal flat. Yes, it's normal, not second class, not first class. It's normal. Yes. Yeah, you can see like this. We have a barrel. Because we have an event this coming November, third week of November. So we will starting the racing car competition again. So actually that event is almost every year here in Macau. I will show you the normal plot. Yeah, because we have a different first class, second class, normal plot. Thank you. This is already city, Macau City. Lesboa Hotel, the old one, and this one, the new Lesboa Hotel. As you can see that the plot surge normally, plot. It's so very cheaper. Yeah, but we have a. That's why also like this building. This is a first class plot. Yeah, can rent almost 20,000 MOP, 25,000, something like that. That is a first class. So that's why I told you it's so different. If you want to renting like a normally ordinary flat, you know, if you want a first class, we have a hotel. It depends on you what you want. So yeah, actually this is also like this hotel building normally. Yeah, there is Lesboa. There is. It depends on you what you want. It depends on your budget. That is a very important in your budget. Yeah, this is a plot like this. 5,000, something like that. And also it different. It's this. It's based on the place, convenient place, you know. So as you can see, we have upstairs. Yeah. Also like this flat. It depends on your budget. If you are afford. Yeah, there's a lot of. As you can see like this, normally flat. Yeah. You need to drain or have apartment. Yeah, I'm so tired walking. So you can see the flat normally. So this one also we have. It's a different. See, it's a rush hour already. Traffic normally. That is the advantage if you using by public bus or the shuttle bus. Shuttle bus is so very quick. No bus stop, no hassle. Unless like this normally bus. How many bus stop? Also like this building, commercial. It depends the commercial building. Yeah, we have a agent office. We have choose any kind of flat you want. There is also what? Budget is always the limited factor for most of us. Yes, that's right. I'm so poor. I will have to live under your bed, Maria. No, sharing with toys. Come on, Peter. Thank you. Hello, Elga. Come sit. Peter, huh? You save your money, huh? Yeah, as you can see, all the commercial. Also, we have a flat. There's a lot. All of them, they're renting, you know. All of them, as you can see. This is also the building, all of them. Some of building using by the business building. So, but mostly like this, normally flat. That one. That is very important. It depends in your budget. What you will convenient for your budget to living, you know. Yes, I'm here now in my place. So very fast, very quick. This is the school with my first employer before. Yeah, I working. That's it. 2014 when I first come here in Macau. So my boss, that's the daughter, that is school. Santa Rosa del Lima School. That is a private school for the ladies, for the girl only. Exclusive for the girl. Yeah. So see, I'm here already in my place. So very quick. Yeah, that is the flat also. As you can see the flat, the building. All of them also. It's a flat. That's why we have here a house, like a house. What call this? We have a place like that also. Build the house, rent the house, own all house. You know, there is also. You see this flat also? See? All of them. You can see all the building. That is all the flat. But this one is commercial building. Commercial building, some of them commercial building, but also flat. It depends. It's already winter. So you can see all people are wearing a jacket. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Yeah, this building also like this building. So as you can see, flat. Yeah, the entry, that gate, it's mostly like that, flat, like that. So 5 million people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. $1,000 pesos. You said I only pay 1,000 a month for under your bed, Maria. $1,000, Peter, not peso. Shout out. It's live. Kababayan, shout out.
Pinamatik dyan, yung mga mic ko sa Cebu, guys.
Oh, guys, from Cebu, shout out. Yeah, shout out to all Cebu people, guys. It's Kababayan. She making me pay in Macau. Money, Serge. No, Peter, I'm so poor. You know that. I'm poor. Oh, God. I need to remove my jacket. I'll show you. Just wait. I need to remove my... It's so hot here. Actually, I need to buy some pressing. I don't like tea. I like this. I like this. Dietary fever. No, I don't like. This one. Fresh lemon black tea. Okay. Filipina mango. One mango melo sago. One. Yeah, halika. Per day. Guys, wait. I need to pay my M-Pay. Yeah. Now it's so hot here. Waiting for my order. I'm so, thirsty. I'm so thirsty now, guys. Sure, Peter. may order. It's almost done my order. What do you drink? Mango pomelo with sago. Yes, Maria. Yeah. Mango pomelo with sago. Ha? Hindi. Ano ako, selected ako. Sa alam niyo, no? Meet and greet collaboration dito sa Macau. Yung mga creator. Sa Facebook, selected ako. Mukha nga. Oo. Bye-bye. Hey, Bad. How are you, Bad? Good evening. Peter, great to see you. Labubu. Hey, Bud. How are you doing today, Bud? Hey, Bud Floor. Bud's Floor? Huh? Bud's Floor? Later, good to see you. Sister Maria, how your day has been? It's wonderful today. Yeah, Bud, it's so really, really, really wonderful. We're going to have to sleep. Meeting like this, body people. We'll start talking. Yeah. Don't stop, Peter. Did not open the light. Did not open the light. Don't stop talking, Peter. Still going. Did not open the light. Why? We have a decoration already, but I don't know why did not open the light. Actually, it is every day it's open, but now it's closed. See? Even this light, even in the center, in the middle of decoration, but now it's closed. That's the one place I went already on the top, on the rooftop. Always going great here, Maria. Did you say the getting hot there? No, it's already winter here. I'll be back, Maria. I'll still have to make my own coffee. Yeah, I will share to you this, Peter. My mango pomelo with sago. It's already I closed the light. I don't know why. Usually every night that Christmas, that decoration light is open, but now it's closed. Even that one, it's I did not open. One for me, please. No sugar. Thank you. Come from Search. Let's drink, everyone. Okay, guys. It's time to say bye-bye to everyone. I hope you enjoyed this live today. And see you on Sunday to the Meet and Greet collaboration in Taipa, in Londoners. Hope to see you guys, everyone. Bye. See you next. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Always, I will tell, if you want to be happy, always smile. Babush. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Bud. Thank you, Serge. Thank you, Sis Lilibet. Thank you, Halfway, 7 Ways. Thank you. Thank you to everyone to come and join here in my life. This, my life. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. See you on this. Oh, it's already. Wait. I will not end it. I will show you this already open. See? The light is already open. But this side, I don't know why it's still not open. Push the button, Maria. Now I was just showing you the light. It's just now open, as you can see. Remember, when I came, it's not yet already open. But now it's open, see? But this side is still not yet open, the light. Already open also. It's already open, see? It's already open. See? That is the view every night if this light open. But now it's already open, see? Nice? It's already. Already open. Actually, I ended, but it's because the light is turned off, but now it's already turned on. So, you can see the light. I'm not paying their electricity bill. Push the button, Maria. Good night, God bless and sweet dreams, Lady Maria, and to all that side of the earth. Great day to everyone on this side. Bye. Wait. One for me, please. No sugar. Yeah. I could get what? Time from those lights. I'm not paying. Yeah. You can see that now. It's already open the light. You can see me now. I can go check it. And even this side, you see? But it's again the light. So as you can see, just only from this side. Yeah. It's so dark if I can put like this, as you can see, against the light. So okay, once again, bye everyone. See you on this coming Saturday and this coming Sunday for my what is this? Meet and greet collaboration creator Macau here in 2025 here in Macau. See you on Sunday, guys. Bye everyone. Bye guys. Bye bye. See you. Okay, good night all. 7 way. Good day to see you. Okay, bye everyone. God bless. See you next time. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Good night. And thank you. Peace out. Bye.